parallel lines and transversals. Identify each pair of angles as corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, vertical or adjacent. And then identify a supplementary, complementary, or a linear pair. So first I want to do is go and highlight all the variables or all my angles. That way it just helps me visually. Okay, let's look at number 1. They are both on the right-hand side, and they're both underneath that parallel line. They are in the same position, same side, same position. So those are going to be corresponding angles, and they're same side. So if you cut them in half, they would be identical because of the transversal and the parallel lines. If you just cut this in half and you had two separate problems, these would equal each other because they're corresponding angles. So measure the angle X is going to measure 100 degrees. Number 2 is the same way, except they're on the left side. They're going to be on the left top of each line. So they're corresponding. Same side. So if Y is 110, X has to be 110 degrees. Number 3, all my highlight is inside my parallel lines. So it's going to be, remember when I put paper here, to block out all the other information and focus on the interior. So you know they're going to be interior. And what kind of interior? Well, they are opposite of each other, so it's alternate interior. So they would be congruent. Same shape, same size. So what Y equals 95, X is going to equal 95 degrees. Number 4, we have Y and X, and they're touching each other on the same side. They share a vertex and a side, so those would be adjacent. Adjacent. So if Y is 70, and we know it makes a straight line, that has to equal 180. 180 minus 70 will give you X, which will be 110 degrees. Number 5. If I look at my highlights, they are on the outside of the parallel lines. So it's going to be an exterior, and they're opposite, alternative, or alternate exterior. Alternate exterior, which means they're going to be congruent. Same shape, same size. So if y is 80, x will be 80. Number 6. If I look at my highlighted areas, again, everything's happening on the inside of those parallel lines. Okay, so it's going to be interior, and they're both on the left-hand side. So it's going to be same side interior. So if y equals 102, they have to add up to 180. 180 minus 102 will give you your answer. And hopefully you'll get 78 degrees. Number 7. If I look at my highlighted angles, they're vertical. And vertical angles are opposite of each other. They're congruent, same shape, same size. So if this one's 32, x has to be 132, I'm sorry. Y equals 132, x equals 132. Number 8. If I look at my highlighted angles, they make up a straight line. They have the same vertex and a side. So they are adjacent. Oh. So again, it makes up 180 degrees. And you should get 43 degrees. Number 9. Again, we have the highlighted angles. They're making up a straight line here. So they are also adjacent. And if y equals 67, you know they make 180 degrees. So if you subtract it, x should equal 113 degrees. And number 10, the highlighted areas are on the outside of the parallel lines. So it's going to be on the exterior. They're opposite of each other. So it's going to be alternate, exterior, and that means that they are same shape, same size. So if y equals 192, x should, oh, not 100. Did I say 100? I don't know. So the angle y measures 92. X should measure 92. I just now realized there is a back side. So hopefully the review on the front will help you with the back. And my suggestion is to highlight all of your angles. And that will get you a good start. Make sure if you know if they are interior, exterior, same side. It just helps for me to highlight everything. And on this one down here, We know that this is a right angle, so it equals 90 degrees. And if x is 48, 90 minus 48 should give you your y. Okay? Again, I hope this helps. If you have questions, come in before school or ask me on comments.